Hello everyone, I'm Chiara from Spezzeria Palazzo Vecchio and today I'm going to talk about weight control disorders. This topic is very important because overall 1 in 2 people in the world are overweight and 1 in 6 people in the world are obese. The causes of excessive and pathological body weight can be 5 different types of factors. First of all, genetic factors. They are the predisposition to develop overweight. Or metabolic factors, neurohormonal and organic dysfunctions. Or nutritional factors, like nutritional deficiencies due to poor eating habits and due to the quality and quantity of foods eaten. Or socio-environmental factors, like environmental pollution, stress, sedentary lifestyle, conflicting human relationships. Or psychological factors. At the base of every disease, there is a psychological and existential stress. The modern lifestyle has led many people to feel bad about themselves and to seek gratification in food. In nature, there are a lot of plants that could represent a very good remedy for this kind of disorders. The first plant I would like to talk about is Garcinia. It is a plant whose peel contains hydroxycitric acid, which inhibits the production by liver of the enzyme responsible for the transformation of carbohydrates and proteins into fats, which are nothing more than a store of energy. But if this path is blocked, energy is stored in another way, namely in the form of glycogen, which is stored as a reserve in liver and muscles. The increase in glycogen in liver stimulates liver receptors. This information is processed centrally and indicates that the energy supply is sufficient and no other food is needed, inducing a sense of satiety. For this reason, Garcinia is useful for promoting weight control and for calming nervous hunger. The second plant is Galega. It is hypoglycemic and is used in case of mild diabetes as it decreases and keeps blood sugar levels low. It is an effective diuretic and diaphoretic in case of fluid retention and decreased diuresis. It also decreases the body's acidosis. The third plant I would like to talk about is a plant but it's also a fruit, and it's pineapple. It has anti-inflammatory, anti-edema and digestive action. Its activity, due to the proteolytic enzymes known as bromelain, makes it ideal in inflammatory and edematous processes, in the treatment of water retention and cellulite, as it is able to stimulate diuresis and promote the reabsorption of localized edema. These enzymes break down large proteins and speed up digestion. Bromelain also avoids the accumulation of insulin in blood and therefore the conversion of sugar into fat. Last but not least, green coffee. Compared to traditional black coffee, it has a lower caffeine content, which is then released into body gradually. In fact, caffeine is absorbed more slowly and remains in circulation longer, releasing a prolonged tonic effect, stimulating the metabolism and causing fewer side effects than classic coffee. Green coffee also is rich in methylic xanthines, which have lipolytic effect and a reduction in the absorption of fats, as they free the adipose tissue from fatty acids by introducing the latter into circulation. Also, green coffee acts on intestinal mucosa, reducing the amount of sugar absorbed. Also, green coffee is rich in chlorogenic acid, which is able to modulate the release of glucose in blood after eating, reducing the absorption of sugar in intestine, and his effect is useful in case of body weight loss and in the treatment of metabolic syndrome. All these active ingredients are included in 2 different supplements. The first supplement is dimachlorogen and is based on green coffee to speed up the metabolism. The second supplement is Digertutto with pineapple, papaya, Galega and Garcinia for fat burning. As always, I remind you that before considering taking our supplements, it is advisable to download the product sheet from the link on the slide here to consult with your doctor or a specialist. That's all for today. Thanks for being with us. A greeting from Spezzeria Palazzo Vecchio.